Hi, this is Dr. McKenzie, and I want to make sure that before you do your homework, you have first read the chapter and looked at my little slideshow that I made on the different model types. Yeah, you can look over the chapter slides as well. There's a lot of those. But I would say the most important thing is read the chapter, my little slide overview, and then this right here, the appendix at the end of chapter 10, because it walks you through how to do it in Excel using Solver. What it's going to do is it's going to show you the transportation problem. It talks about the formulation and why it's done that. But this is really cool. It shows you the setup. We have an origin, we have a destination, we have a cost, we have limits, and then here's the result because that's what Solver did. So it's important that you read this because it's going to walk you through how it did it. So, and it also does the transshipment problem. And again, here's how it sets it up. Here's the arcs going from 1 to 2, and then so Denver to Kansas City to Detroit, right? Or Denver to Louisville and Louisville to Detroit. Anyway, it sets all of those up and then exactly what's shipped, and it has the capacity constraints on those overall cost. So the objective there is the overall cost and how to formulate it. And then the third one it's going to show you here is the assignment problem. And again, it shows you how to set up the assignment problem and what the solution is. Remember, assignment is kept one person, one job, and how to do it with the minimum possible cost. And there's the solution and how to do it in Solver. So that's why it's important that first you read and look over my short slideshow and look at how to do it in Excel. Because the book talks to you about how to write the equations to set it up for Lingo, Excel can get a little bit confusing on how to model it. And wow, I love it when the appendices in this text show you exactly how to set it up. So don't forget to read the Chapter 10 appendix before you do your homework. Good luck.